Hi guys, I'm gonna make a F-15 jet. That's too cool. Just gonna make it. First, we had to look. First, I'll show you. First, we had to do this part like this. Then this. Then we had to properly do it this. Then do it out. Then you have to do this here properly. Then again take it. Then do again like this. Then remove it. Then you can start. Then you can start the beginning. First, do like. Wait a second, I'm gonna. First, do in that where we did the before part, that line, there will be a line. You have to do the back side. Then at the correct point. Then properly at the second place. Then wait, I'm coming soon. And this had to be in a proper line. So I made it proper. Next part. Again do like this. Then stretch this till here. Wait a second. Do this one till here. So this will be this one. And this here and this. We have to do cleanly. Look, it's perfect. Then do this here. No. Here. Then do this here. Then make this like this. Then make this like this. Wait a second. Then do like this. When we did like this, we have to do like this. Then stretch like this. Wait a second.
എയ്റോപ്ലെയിൻ ഉണ്ടാക്കുന്ന ചാനൽ ഞാൻ കാണുന്നു. അപ്പോൾ എനിക്ക് വേറൊന്നും വേണ്ടല്ലോ.
Wait a second. Kids, do like this. Then do like this. Like this has to be here, back side. Then doing the back side like this. Then do like this. Then the back side check. Then do this up. Then the last two. All the points have to be like this and almost not like this.
Okay.
But it didn't finish. Then the last part. Now the last part, you need pencil. That we don't need. We need, but I'm not going to use. But use the pencil It will be good. So we have to do like that. Now
It's okay,
this
finish.
part like this till here. Then do this part like this. Then do this part. Perfect. Look. It is a pin, but it's perfect.